Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Is your computer working much slower than before? Is it taking longer to open programs? Or is it repeatedly hanging while working? Then this video is for you. There are a lot of reasons to slow the computer. But today we will know the main reason why a computer is slow and their easy solution. If your computer shows disk 100%, it means the storage drive HDD or SSD is being used at or near its maximum capacity for reading, writing data at that moment. This is commonly seen in Windows Task Manager. If your hard disk capacity full, symptoms can include slow system preference, programs taking a long time to open, freezing or lagging, slow file transfers. Let's go, we will solve this problem. For that, we will go this PC, right click, manage, service and applications, service, and here we will find out sysmain, and double click, disable, and it will stop. And other one is connected device platform service, double click, disable, and stop. Second one is we will go to C drive, right click, properties, disk cleanup, click the check mark and delete all the cache. Then we will go search and write here disk defragment or defragment only. Click here, optimize all drives. The optimization time depends on how much data your drive has. It takes a long time to optimize C drive. You have to wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We will disable applications that we don't use regularly from startup. Need to full update your PC? Now we will see the outcome. The disk showing 0. Look here. If it shows 0, it means that the computer is running very well at the moment. If it shows 100% here, then the computer will be hang or the program will not work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.